Nice move inside, able to sneak in. And number 10. Nice pass off the inbounds, yes.
Cordoba, pass dito kay Cervantes. Cervantes, great move! Cervantes for two! Cervantes nanguna. And there's a foul. And that basket is grounded po para kay Cervantes. Cervantes has the ball. Cervantes for two!
No? Speaking of, ito Cervantes, the biggest man on the floor.
Yeah, he's really working so hard para dito sa Timberere. But it's just that, grabe na din yung depensa dito ng Broad Street. Eto, Cervantes is a foul. So with 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Yung mga katawan ni Cervantes, kagaya mo dati, Christopher, no? Nung araw sa elementary,
Yes.
nang bubuldos ka talaga ng mga bata. Like right now, in 10 under division, height and weight is might.
Yes.
So, the bigger you are, the advantage it is.
Yeah, and as you notice naman sa ating mga liga natin, no, sa any other divisions, no, pag may matatangka talaga na player tapos maliksi pa, he's not just height, yung maliliksi talaga na aggressive, advantage talaga sa isang team rin. Kasi mahirap bantayan.
That's right. And good opportunity also for these players no, sa ball club na ma-showcase not only to be able to play in Manila, but also makakuha ng mga schools dito sa Davao City. No? Alam mo naman natin na we have great schools programs here also in high school level like Holy Child, Ateneo, JMC, Agro, right? A lot of good schools in Division 1 that are scouting in process sa mga ganitong klaseng liga.
Yes, that's right. So, kung tutusin, no, yung mga coaches ng mga known schools dito sa Davao is watching our live streaming. Kung hindi man lang sila makapapunta dito ng mga scouts nila, is tama nga, Coach Rock, kinukuha nila yung mga players. As I remember, good example, yung champion last season na si Arnado ng GG God's Gift Club. Sila yung champion doon sa 12 under. Ngayon, naglaro na sa...
Ako, alam mo sang liga. Doon sa Roblox. Yan. Kakalaro ng Roblox yun. Number 1 pick yun. Cervantes. Penetration. Yun.
Another foul.
Parang nakinig ata si Cervantes yung kanina.
Yun, tiyawag natin kanina.
Yung sinabihan mo kasi, umatake ka. Ayan, umatake na talaga itong si Cervantes.
Yeah. So this is goes as well good platform, no, kasi pag makita mo kasi yung kasarili mo sa may video, may iba yung hype coach ba? At saka what you said, hindi naman natin sa natin yung mga bata